If you watch one YouTube ad, you will earn 55 cents. Watching another YouTube video ad, you will earn 60 cents. Watch third ad, and you will get 65 cents, and so on. And, using the trick shown in this video, you can earn $1.80 every minute watching YouTube video ads. As you can see, I have already withdrawn $98 from this website. So step number 1 is to come over to this brand new website where you can earn money watching YouTube video ads. I will reveal the name of this website in a minute, but as you can see, you can watch YouTube video ads and you can earn money for every YouTube video ad you watch. Every minute, people from different countries around the world withdraw money from this new earning app today. $10, $24, and even $40 withdrawn few minutes ago. Yes, this works in every country, so you can be from United States, Canada, India, Philippines, Nigeria, Pakistan, Bangladesh, or anywhere in the world, and you can still earn money with this. But for our future videos, comment down below your country name so that I can create more videos for you and others watching from your country. Now, you can use your PC, laptop, tablet, or your smartphone to earn PayPal earnings with this website. There are mainly 4 methods to make money watching ads. You can watch banner ads, visit different websites, watch YouTube video ads, and earn as an affiliate. We will cover all of them, but first, let's start making money with YouTube ads. And for this, I want you to register yourself using this Create Account button on top right corner. Verify your email and log into your account. Once you do that, this is how your dashboard will look like. As you can see, I have already earned over $100 in last week, which is not bad because I did no work for this and earned this money in pure passive income, and I will show you how you can do the same. So, step number 2 is, once you log into your brand new account and you scroll down a little bit, you can find different YouTube video ads to watch. So, if you watch this 20 seconds of video ad, you will earn 55 cents. If you watch another YouTube ad, you will earn 60 cents. Watching third YouTube video ad, you will earn 65 cents. And these ads refresh after every 24 hours. So, if you see only one YouTube ad on your new account, do not worry, you will find more YouTube video ads the next day you log in. Now to watch these video ads, you just need to click where it says Start, and it will take you to next page where you can press this YouTube play icon and the video will start playing. You just need to watch the YouTube video for 20 seconds, so let us wait for it. And now, once the 20 seconds are over, you will get paid 55 cents for this YouTube ad. Just like this, you can watch another YouTube ad, we will get paid 60 cents for this. And if you watch the third YouTube video ad, you will get 65 cents. All it takes is 1 minute, and you will earn 55 cents, plus 60 cents, plus 65 cents, the total of which comes to $1.80, which is not bad if you have some free time and got few minutes a day to earn some side income. And once you have watched all the video ads available for the day, you can move on to the second way of making money, which is to make money watching banner ads and to make money visiting different Google websites. And for this, you want to hover your mouse over extension button on top and click on it. Now, choose your browser from here. I personally use Google Chrome browser, so I am going to select it, and it will take you over to next tab, from where you can add this extension to your Chrome browser. And by the way, the name of this website is surf.b. As you can see, this extension has over 4.3 star ratings on Chrome Web Store and over 1,000 people rated this extension. So this shows that this is a legit website to make money online. Now, to install the extension on your browser, you just need to click on Add to Chrome and then click on Add Extension. As you can see, the extension has been installed successfully. By the way, surf.b is fairly new website and not many people know about it yet, and you better take advantage of it now before it gets saturated. Now, once you install the extension, you will start seeing those banner ads on the bottom of every tab you open in your browser. Each banner will show up for 20 seconds, and once the 20 seconds are over, the next banner will show up automatically. Basically, you don't need to do any work after you install the extension. These banner ads will keep showing automatically, and you will keep earning some cents every 20 seconds for as long as you are using your browser. And the good thing is that you don't even need to click on these banners, and you will still earn money watching these banner ads. Now, you can move the banner to the top or to the bottom of your web page with this icon over here, and you can also close the banner ad from here if you want to. So now, if you are browsing something, you will see these banner ads on the bottom of every web page. Even if you are watching some videos on YouTube, you will see this banner on the bottom. So, any website you visit on your browser, you will see these banners and you will earn money for watching those banner ads. Also, I will show you my secret trick in a minute to earn over $100 a week in pure passive income, so stay tuned. Now step number 3. If you want to earn even more money by visiting different websites, all you have to do is come over to the surf extension that you installed earlier. You can see here, you can visit this website and you can earn some cents here. So, all you have to do is click on this start button right here and it will take you to this website where you just need to stay for as long as this timer doesn't hit 0. Once the time is over, you can see that you have been credited with the money. So now, you can close this website. Just like this, you can open the surf extension again and as you can see, you have another site available to visit. Now, you can repeat this for as long as you want and keep on earning money over and over again. And the good thing is that you only need 3 cents to take withdrawal from this website and you can earn 3 cents in just 1 minute. And you can withdraw the same into your PayPal account, your Payeer account, web money, and many different payment methods available for you depending on your country. And if you want me to show live withdrawal proof of my earnings, then help me to get 5,000 likes on this video and I will include the live withdrawal proof in any one of my upcoming videos. Now, if you would have noticed something, when we open the surf extension, you can also watch the YouTube video ads here and can earn some money. So, if the video ad offers are not available on the website, you can use the surf extension to make some more money watching YouTube ads here. And if the offers are finished on this extension too, and no more offers are available, then you can install the surf app to your smartphone where you will be able to find even more YouTube video ads to watch, more sites to visit, and can earn even more money online. Now, this website pays much more money in top-tier countries and comparatively less money in other countries. So, if you are from United States or Australia, you will earn much more money than if you are from other countries. But don't worry, I have found a solution to your problem. And for this, you just need to come over to Google and search for VPN Chrome extension. Open the first link of Google Chrome and it will take you to next page from where you can install the free VPN extension on your browser and it will provide you an American IP. Once you install the VPN, just select the country as USA and click on this power icon to turn it on and you are good to go. Now, step number 4 is to earn money like this every single week in pure passive income. I want you to come over to referrals option on the left-hand side and select promo banners from there. So as you can see here, you will receive 5% commission on earning of your referrals, which is really awesome. Now, you can copy your referral link from here and you can start sharing your referral link with others so that you can start earning money like this in pure passive income. And for this, the best way is to come over to reddit.com and promote your referral link here on subreddits because over 1.8 billion people visit Reddit every single month. And as you can see, most of them are from top-tier countries like United States, United Kingdom, Canada, and Australia. And if you refer people from top-tier countries, they will earn much more money as compared to people from other countries, and accordingly, you will earn more commission per referral because of their high earnings. So, once you log into your Reddit account, I want you to first increase your karmas on Reddit, and for this, you can use this subreddit called Karma for free. Once you get over 20 karmas, which you will get in just 5 to 10 minutes, I want you to search for Make Money in the search bar and join subreddits like Beer Money, Make Money, Passive Income, Side Hustles, and Work Online. Once you join these subreddits, you can create a post in each one of these subreddits. But make sure you read the rules of the particular subreddit before you create any post there. So, you can create a post something like this, where you can say, have you guys checked this new earning website where you can watch video ads and banner ads and can make even up to $100 a day? DM me to discuss more about the website. Now, whenever someone will read your post, they will get curious about the website, and because you did not share the website name in the post, they will send you a DM, and in the DM, you can reply them with your referral link from Surf. And once they start earning money, you will start to make passive income just like this. So, create more and more posts in each one of these subreddits and earn more and more money online. Now, you can't expect to make thousands of dollars on this website, and if you want to make a stable income using TikTok, Instagram theme page business, or using YouTube automation, then I have shared these premium courses worth $1,000 each with you for completely free in this giveaway video on CashPro channel. You can watch this giveaway video and claim your courses for free. Thanks for watching.